Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace windshield wipers on a 2003 through 2007, I believe, Infiniti G35 Coupe. The vehicle I have right now is a 2004. So the passenger side is a 17-inch windshield wiper and the driver's side is a 24-inch windshield wiper. That's it. Basically, they go in like this, and then they slide up. What you do is just push it back, and maybe push down on this little clip so it makes it a little bit easier. Sorry, I'm trying to be gentle so that I don't force it and hit the car. So here's the first one. Here's a new wiper. What you're gonna do is open this up. Again, the wiper you might have will most likely be different than this, but the idea of installation will be the same. So see how I feed it through? And then the goal is to push this back. It's always so much easier with both hands. Let me do that. There we go, with two hands. Just pulled it back in. Now we're gonna close it down, and then we could remove this little plastic protective piece. Could set these to the side and we could start working on this other side. Other side idea is the same. Just gently push down on this clip right here and down it goes. Pull it out. Same idea here. Open this piece up and then just put it on the hook. Close it down and pull out the protective piece. That's it. Super easy, super simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Have a good one.